Has this ever happened to you? I was out on my stroll just checking out the plants this morning, and I came across this one. Let me know when you guys see it. Let me know when you guys see it. Yep, yep, yep. We have mealybugs on this beautiful plant. So today, I'm going to show you how to treat and get rid of the mealybugs that have infested your beautiful plant. So stick with me and let's do it. First things first, we're going to get this plant out of the soil. And right now, I'm just inspecting the roots for any root rot. They look pretty good. And now you want to get your mixture ready that you're going to be putting your plant in. You can either spray this on the plant if you don't want to repot it, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to dunk my whole plant in it because I'm repotting my whole plant. So, grab a container. Second, you'll need some water. You want to use 70% or less of rubbing alcohol. You can use Neem Oil and soap. So we're going to put all this into our water. So we're going to do 1 part of the Neem Oil. We're going to do 1 part of the rubbing alcohol. And then just a little bit of soap. And then you want to grab something to mix it with. I'm going to start off with the leaves. So once you have all the leaves coated, and make sure you get the stem and everything, just try to rub those leaves down. So I'm just washing the roots out. So yeah, let's do it. Let's repot it. I went with a pot smaller than the last one just because I realized that the roots, they're not that big. So I want her to focus on maybe growing some more roots, getting the roots stronger. So we're going to put a small layer of soil at the bottom. And then you're just going to stick her in there and put some soil around her. And then you just want to do a light pat on the top. Add some more soil if you need to. And you want to repeat the process of the solution, dipping the leaves in the solution, and just cleaning the whole plant every 3 to 4 days within that 2-week period. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate y'all. I hope you guys have a great day. Hit that subscribe button, get those notifications on, and I'll be posting more plant videos for you guys. And leave a comment down below and let me know how your mealy bug infestation is going for you. And I will keep you guys updated on mine. Peace.